How to change Cash App to auto accept. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically change Cash App to auto accept, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change Cash App to auto accept, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Cash App here. Once you launch Cash App, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to just come to the home tab from the bottom left of the screen. Once you come to the home tab, here you'll find a section called recurring deposits, right? These are some of the ways to add money where you can simply tap on it, and all you need to do is just tap on the auto add cash and then make sure to turn it on. What this does is that next time it is going to add the cash automatically to you without having to accept it. So you can see how often would you like to add cash. You can select daily, weekly, and then just tap on next. On which day would you like to add cash, you can just go ahead and select that and then tap on the set this day. Make sure to enter the transfer amount that you want to add from your bank. As you can see, then just tap on schedule button, and now you need to simply make sure to confirm your cash pin, and now you need to make sure to enter your bank account, add it, and then your auto accept payment will be successfully changed. This is how you can change Cash App to auto accept. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.